Hey everyone, welcome to my lair. And this is just a quick little video that I wanted to put together just to kind of show my setup here and how I have everything configured. Usually, when I'm explaining to people how my office works, it doesn't explain very well, and so I figured something I could do here is to just kind of show it off. And yeah, so really this is just for me to have a video that I can point to when I'm explaining this, but I also figured that, hey, why not post it on my channel just so other people can kind of get a feel for what it is that I'm working within. And so let's begin here. So this is my main machine. It's a MSI laptop. As you can see, I'll zoom in here on the sticker. It's a Vector GP7713B. It has an i9 in it, 13th gen i9, 32 gigs of RAM. This is the machine that I ran Indoor Lands on. And it's my main computer, but because it is a laptop, it doesn't have the storage that I use, so I keep desktops around, which are right down here. And so this is the main desktop, which has just Windows on it right now, but I do plan to do a Linux installation, and I think I'm going to actually do like it on my channel, so look for that sometime in the future. And over here I've got the Linux server, which also has a Windows 10 install, but really that's just a legacy install from back when this used to be my main machine way back in the day. And I keep it around because it is a Windows 10 Pro real license that I cannot transfer off the machine. So it's locked to the drive that is sitting in here. But that's okay, I just threw another drive in and it mostly runs Linux all the time now. So on top of that, I've got the 4 monitors set up. They are 4K monitors, but I tend to run them in 1080. Sometimes I'll put this one in 2K, just because having 4K and then so many monitors is really it eats up the video memory, and I don't really need it. I prefer to have a slightly larger resolution. And then for peripherals, it's mostly SteelSeries because the laptop is SteelSeries. So it's got the lit SteelSeries keyboard with a per key RGB on the keyboard there, which all goes through the SteelSeries engine. Same thing with the Apex Pro here, the Arena 7s, the mouse pad, the Prism Quick QCK. And then I got the 2 mice here. This one is the Rival 3, and this is the Aerox 9. And then on top of that, for recording, I got my router here. I got a USB launcher here, my modem, my headset that I use when gaming, playing things like Star Citizen and stuff. Which, if you would like to see Star Citizen videos, let me know in the comments, as I could potentially produce some of those pretty easily. They wouldn't be like super fancy like my RCT ones, but you know, a little light here is what it's hanging on. Let me flip that on for you, show it all off. There we go, see, light. We got the audio box input. This is for the mic up here, and then I also have another pair of headphones that I can put into here if I want to have audio out through the audio box instead. Gamepad, Logitech F710, and yeah, and then I have the KVM here, and what this does is allow me to switch between the various computers. So I'll demonstrate how that works here. So let's say that I'm on my laptop and I want to switch to the Linux server. I'm going to come here to the KVM and I'm going to select number 4 because that's the port that I have it on. And it's going to switch to number 4, and you'll now see on this monitor here, which is the monitor that's connected to the KVM, because it is a VGA KVM. So this is an older monitor that I use for just the KVM. And you'll see that it has Linux running here. It is a server, so I don't have any fancy GUIs on this particular computer. But let's say that I want to go and look at the other desktop. I can do that too. I can come in here. We're going to press number 2. And now with this desktop, it is over here on this monitor, but there is one more step in that this monitor, I just have to switch the input manually because the KVM, of course, only has one input. So now, the other computer will come up. So I've got these two running over here. And there we go. Here's my main desktop. And I can log in here. You can see it's running here. And there we go. So yeah, that's my setup. And then, of course, with the Steel Series stuff, all of this sort of synchronizes, which is really cool. And, I've never seen anybody on YouTube actually show it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it for you guys, what it looks like, because it is really cool. And so here we go. If you actually have a complete Steel Series setup, you're going to get something like this. So we're going to go into the engine here. And just by the way, I'm not being paid by Steel Series to sell this or anything. This is literally my personal setup. I'm just showing you how it works. So if you feel inclined to buy Steel Series as a result of me showing you how it works, it's not my fault. I'm just showing you my setup, okay? So here we go. Here's the engine here. And we're going to go into Prism. And we'll control all devices with Prism here. We're going to change there. So now all devices are synchronized. Well, all except the MSI keyboard because it doesn't support Prism. But, and so I've got them all on warp drive, you can see. They're all doing the same thing. And if I want, we can change the effects. So let's put everything on Aqua now. Now everything is Aqua effect. Okay, or we can go to, let's say, Freeway. Now everything is the Freeway effect. And it can also do it with music too, which is really cool. So let's say that I go in here and we're just going to deselect all of these. You don't always have to have them synced with Prism. You can also give each one their own settings. And we're going to go here to the audio visualizer. There we go. And I haven't configured this at all, so we're just going to run with whatever it gives me for audio visualization. You see my music will pop up over here. Let's go for some Doom, because why not? There we go. We got Doom here. And we'll do some Doomsgate. There we go. That's kind of what it looks like. These Steel Series speakers, I tell you, they're really good. I really like them. That's enough of that, or I'll get a copyright. But yeah, so anyway, that's how that all works. Really cool. I really enjoy it. Looks great with the laptop and everything. You can come in here. I like using the macros, and we got the side buttons on there. I use those for programming a lot. So I hope you enjoyed checking my setup out, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later.